I wanted to take performing arts because it'll contribute towards the career that I want in the future.
I chose performing arts because I want to be a drama teacher. I do like performing arts in general though, honestly.
I've always had an interest in performing.
Somewhat different. If you want to become an actor, it's not like a normal office job. You can do something different like every single day.
I really enjoy the lessons because we also get to watch these really cool videos of performances already been done, because a lot of the time people will go and watch these performances and know absolutely nothing about the inspiration behind it, so I think just learning about all that is really cool.
Once you get over the theory, the practicals are really fun. They can be a bit embarrassing sometimes.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
But I do think that they are really fun.
And we also have something called a drop-down day, where you also get to not only work with actually performing, but also working with the lighting and the things behind the scenes.
It was really funny. We did a lift. One of them had to hold on to someone's shoulders, and then someone had to grab the leg, and then they just got lifted up. It's actually mad.
It's helped me a lot because on the drop down day when we did the practical work, I had a big role and it's like really boosted my confidence.
It's definitely helped with confidence and self-esteem.
I think it has really helped my confidence actually.
I think performing arts has definitely helped me improve my skills in acting.
I object. Excuse me, obviously we're getting married.
What's
Get
going
out of
Who are you?
here. You're ruining my big day.
Who are you?
I think what I probably enjoy the most is being practicals, because you get that proper experience and it adds that bit of fun into all the work you do behind it. I think for the year 91 to take it, I say definitely go for it.
I'd just say go for it because it is a really fun course actually.
You won't regret it, it's really fun.
You never know. It could be like you in a few years, like Mission Impossible, whatever. That could be you.